Back in the shop, we just pulled up. We're about to knock some work out, get these things going and on the road. So stay tuned, about to get it in. So yeah, we gotta get these bars and a few of these red pieces to the sandblaster right here. So we're about to sandblast these bars and everything else. You want everything to be nice and fresh. Got the latches, we got them, the floorboards, all the stuff we're gonna get sandblasted. And then we got the latches, kickstand, little bracket, motor mount, whatever. We're about to get all that sandblasted so we can get all of it powder coated. You don't want a powder coat on top of another powder coat. It's only gonna look crazy. And then we're gonna take these last two metal brackets. So we're gonna get all this stuff sandblasted, and it's gonna go on the blue and black glide up over there. Before we put that up on there, we're gonna go ahead and sandblast it and re-powder coat it with the new color, so everything will be fresh and clean. So stay tuned. So we're about to bust down up on this thing right here. And this is basically the Texas Street Glide that I did the giveaway for. It's headed there. Now, I originally had this whole bike blacked out, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I tried to help my boy out who won it because he liked chrome. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all, all this chrome stuff I just put on is coming off. It's not catching my eye, it's not turning me on, and I can't produce some work that I don't even like. So I'm gonna go with my original plan, just because the icing and on the cake with these bikes with me is the wheels and legs. So the fact that the wheel is powder coated black, then you got like this setup, black legs, black rim. It's only gonna look right with everything else blacked out. Chrome legs, chrome rim, with everything chromed out. I already had the stuff blacked out from the wheel and the legs, so I don't want to do that with standard legs and all the stuff chrome. It's gonna look just half-assed. I like all my stuff to match and make sense, so we're about to bust it down, get all this stuff off of here. Not everything, because I got double these parts, so I'm gonna have to strip the motor without having fluid everywhere, I'm saying. So I'll pop these off, pop the top covers off in the horn, get it to the powder coat, go take it today so we can get it back like a day or two. Then we should have that tire, getting that back rim, waiting on that paint, then this thing will be on its way. But we gotta get this thing sliding and gliding, baby boy. So we got this whole thing bust down, took apart again. We're leaving the primary because I have the other black one over there. So I'm gonna leave that until I get the other one back from powder coat. Now, these two things I'm gonna pop off. I really just wanna wait till I get on the kickstand. That's why I haven't done that one. But this one is another story because I'm about to take this whole inner transmission out with the one I have up there. So that's why I left that, so I could just have all the fluid burst out at once. And the same with this. I'm really tired of being slippery and sliding on this floor. But anyway, we're about to go ahead and take all these pieces to the powder coat, get it blacked out. And something I'm missing. Oh, the legs. I gotta take apart them legs. So we're gonna black this stuff out with them legs. And we're about to go drop this stuff off. So we got our powder coat box, got our sandblaster box. So stay tuned, man. We're about to get it in. So with this joint right here, I gotta, I cannot get this caliper on from me like compressing it. So I'm gonna honestly take it off and re-bleed the brake line and whatnot. I got the bars in the damn Altima moving so fast, I done left them in the car. So I'm gonna disconnect that, connect the bars onto here and then put that console and fix that brake and just these floorboards. But all these bikes I'm doing, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it's all a lesson learned. Also, another thing, I don't know if you guys noticed, I had a 2013 Roadglide. I had parted out. I had got just for a lot of parts to use on multiple bikes. I still have the motor. It is a 103. I believe it was like low miles, 50 or 60,000 miles. In good condition. It ran. The bike was smooth. Everything started right up. I got video of the footage of the motor starting, so everything is good. But if you're interested in that motor, I still have all the covers and everything, but it's sitting right here on the shelf. That's a good running motor. Everything good. Numbers are good. Everything. If you're interested in it, please let me know. I'm not going nothing less than $1,500. I do not care. I'm selling everything complete, just like you see. So let me know if you're interested in it or not, man. But like I said, we about to slide and get these parts out. Man, this stuff be wild. So I was supposed to pick up the red powder coated parts. Sandblasted parts for the blue Roadglide, the 2013 or 2012. So they're not finished with that yet. But the only good thing I can say is now I got the pressure on her. She gonna do the batch I just brought with the other stuff I took last week. So once that's all sandblasted, I didn't even realize they're a powder coat shop too. So I'm gonna have them just do my black stuff, and then the other color I'm gonna get done on my other spot. So everything is working out better than I thought. But when I first came here, I had the intention like, okay, this is going terrible. It's not working, but you gotta have time and patience, man. It's all gonna work itself out in due time. So we're about to slide back and get this work in, man. Well, we gotta slide to the other powder coat shop now to drop the other parts off. So stay tuned, man. We about to get it in. Everything glossy black. Yeah, man, we got some parts up in there. We're gonna have a burgundy street glide looking a lot much better. And it's crazy because I literally already powder coated all those parts I just took. But I wrapped it up in plastic. I put it in my storage container and I put it up for the next bike I'm trying to get. So I just said, F it, I'm gonna get these done while I got them on hand right now instead of traveling and moving around. So we got that on the way. Now we about to probably go ahead and run around and try to gather up some of these parts. Once we get the parts, man, we're gonna go to the crib, finish everything else up and get ready for tomorrow. When you're in this type of business, in this type of field, you wanna have good relations and good intentions with everybody, man.